Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how you can easily connect ActiveCampaign with Google Sheets. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. What you want to do is just scroll down below on this video to the description and click on the link. Then you are gonna come across to this page, Make. And Make is a powerful integration platform that would allow you to connect different apps without having to write a single line of code. Make integrates with over 1000 apps and services. Two of those apps are ActiveCampaign and Google Sheets. And you get also the free accounts that you can test it out by yourself. Okay, so to connect ActiveCampaign with Google Sheets, just follow the steps. After clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Make. It's easy as just filling these forms, or you can also sign up using your Google account, your Facebook account, your GitHub account. And after that, this is your dashboard. Now you want to click this create new scenario button right here on the top right, and here you are. Click the plus symbol and just search for the apps that you want to connect. Let's say Google Sheets, or you want to add ActiveCampaign first. That's completely up to you. And as you can see, each application usually has different kinds of models inside of it, because you can do different things with those applications, like create a contacts, create updates a contacts, delete a contacts, get a contact. So you can simply choose which one you want. I'm gonna go with watch events. So that is also specified down here what kind of model is. Then you need to connect it with your accounts here. And then after that, click the plus icon here, and now you need to add another major module and add Google Sheets. And let's say you want to add a row, update a row, clear a row. So you would choose which action you actually want here. I'm gonna go with add a row. And then you need to connect it with your account here. So this is like every time a new subscriber is added to ActiveCampaign, Make will automatically add that subscriber to a new row in Google Sheets spreadsheet. On the bottom left, you can easily run it once and test it out. On the bottom, you can save it. Over here, you find templates. I find this a really cool place to get some inspiration of what is possible. For example, over here, I could search by an app. I could say, okay, give me all the templates that contain ActiveCampaign module. Down here, you see all kinds of things that are possible. You can use them as they are or customize them to suit your needs. Other than that, you can just click help, contact support, then you can contact the Make customer support with technical issues, scenario, and you could paste the URL of your scenario if you need any help from them. You can also watch my Make tutorial on my YouTube channel. And that's it. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, you can click the like button, that helps a lot. Thank you. So thank you very much guys for watching, and bye bye.